Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2016 RX 350 Executive Package in the eminent white pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low mileage, local Alberta car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, a QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, panoramic sunroof, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.